How to buy protocol token on Bitget. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral codes down in the description and get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So to be able to buy this token on Bitget, go and find it on CoinMarketCap. It's available there. So if you click on markets here, you will see these exchange platforms. As you can see, the Bitget is there. Now click here on this pair link and it will be redirect you to Bitget. Now make sure you log into your account to be able to buy this token on your account. Now after that, click on buy, select the limit here, and as you can see, type how much of the token that you want to buy. For example, you want to buy like 1,000, 1 million, and you will see how much you will pay of USDT, the equivalent of that amount you type here on buy token. So after that, click on buy and you will buy this token on your account. If you select the market option, just drag this to set how much your percentage of USDT that you have on your account to buy this token. After that, click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your Bitget account. So this is how to buy the Bio protocol token on Bitget. So if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.